Hi, I'm Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. In a minute I will show you how to play the C major scale and the G major scale. First of all, I was like saying words. First of all, we already know about the notes. That is, every boy gives daddy an elephant, right? So if this is an E, elephant, F, E for elephant, this must be an F, this must be an F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Basically, the notes go from A to G, right? And they all have what we call sharps. Sharps are in between notes, I call them. On a piano, you'll find the sharps are the black keys on the piano, and the white ones are the open notes. Now, every note has a sharp apart from two notes, that is the B and the E. So we know this is an E, and we're going to start. E has no sharp, so it was F. The F has a sharp, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. This is the same note as the next open string down, A. So A has a sharp, B, B has no sharp, so it's a C. Okay, I keep on going, it keeps on going on, but I stopped at C here because we are doing the C major scale. Now the C here is the first note, the root note of a scale. So if it was a G major scale, it would start on a G. If it was a D major scale or a D scale, it would start on a D. But we're doing the C major scale right now, so this note starts over here. Okay, so we usually use the four fingers: finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, finger number 4. Now finger number 1 usually takes care of the notes on the first fret. Finger number 2 takes care of the second fret, finger number 3 of the third, and finger number 4 on the fourth fret. We'll leave it for there. It gets complicated at the end, but not during this session. So, as we said, the C is on this note here. So we're using finger number 3 because it lives in fret number 3. So, first note in the C major scale is a C. So, C. Okay, then there's in the next scale is a D. Okay, D is the open string below it. D. Okay. Then we have E, which is fret number 2. Okay. Then there is, after E there's F. After F there's G. After G there's A. After A there's B. And after B there's C. So it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. There are no sharps in the C major scale, which is pretty cool, really. Okay, once again, it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. In the examinations, usually the first step, for instance, the London College of Music examinations, in collaboration with RGT, the first step would make you go only once up, so that means like this. But in step 2, they'll make you do the same one, but go back down again, so it's... So it's always good to practice going up and down. Start by practicing slowly. Try to learn them by heart, because they want you to learn them by heart. But until you get there, follow some notes, okay? Do it slowly, and then eventually, every time you play the scales quicker. If you make a mistake, stop and start from the beginning, okay? That's the way you learn it, okay? And that is the C major scale. Now, for the G major scale, it's not like the C major scale where you have all open chords, all open notes, excuse me. It's that has a sharp in it. It has I believe it has an F sharp. We start on remember the root note of the G major scale is a G, in which case we're doing it only one octave, that means only 8 notes. We don't keep on going further on. We start from the fourth string from the top, that's the open G, that's the root note, okay, G, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Then you go backwards. And that is the G major scale. I hope I've enlightened you with the scales. We'll do some more in another tutorial. But for now, if you liked this tutorial, please put a like and subscribe. Thank you. This is Mike from Mad About the Rhythm.